Happy Memorial Day, everybody. Or what day is actually Memorial Day? It's Monday, right? Weekend.
Memorial Day weekend.
Yeah, that's it. So we've been busy this morning, and I feel bad because I haven't really been doing any videoing, but I figured we should at least get one. We did a couple of cars for Doug. A C6 Z06. We're going to try to get the videos from him, so we won't talk about those too much. And then a C7 Z06, we just touched up some stuff from them. But this is a bone stock 16 SS. It even has the stock air box in it. No exhaust, no intake, 36,000 miles or so. Pretty much original. And it actually was a very good, clean first dyno for these. We've seen them come in all over the board. Some of them are so lean, some of them work. This one just worked well. We did another test with this one as well as closing the exhaust and opening it, but Dusty has up now the baseline and the overall gains. So go through it, Dusty.
Yeah, 10 horsepower peak and 15 or so foot-pounds at peak, but in places you got
19
to 20
Yep.
foot-pounds. So that's gonna be pretty big in spots, but picked up everywhere. The air fuel wasn't. It was a little fat to begin with. It had some waves in it, but Chris got it.
Yeah. We always go over about 12.5 on these. So picked up a good amount, and this is a bone stock SS automatic car, 361, 381.
That's really good power.
Yeah, that's really good power. And then
we'll do. This was in the pools a little bit here. So this was a pool we did, and then back to back with the bimodals closed, and it was 12 at peak and about 11 foot-pounds.
yeah, so
It's open versus closed.
yeah, I heard you over here doing the math. What was that percentage about?
3.4. Yeah.
Okay, so it's about 3.5% on a stock car, and we've shown previously the more power you're making, the more that difference
We made
goes.
470 or so on one, and it was worth 20.
Okay.
So
Yep.
whatever that ends up.
We're not mathing today.
We're not doing that.
So that's the before and after. I'm sorry. That's the same air fuel, same timing, same everything, just with the bimodals open and closed. And this one, we of course just did some trans tuning being automatic. We're gonna go drive it around here in a minute. But for a bone stock car, I feel pretty happy with the gains that we got on this one for sure.
And of course, the transmission's always the best seat of the pants feel. When you get that tuned right, where it's shifting good and solid.
Yeah, factory, these are pretty soft.
That's where you pick up at the track too, in the corners or whatever you like to do.
For sure. So anyways, and I'll get this one up today, and then we'll try to get the videos for you guys soon for the two Z06s that we had, one C6 and one C7. And we'll do a quick one on those, hopefully. I'll get those from Doug. So until next time, thanks.